What's up guys, I'm back with another pair of customs today. This pair is going to be hopefully super easy to do, super quick in comparison to painting some shoes, which takes, I don't know, 20 hours or something. So these should be super quick and anyone can do these. I'm going to try and show it as best as I can so that anyone watching could do it for themselves as well. All you're going to need is the shoes. I'm doing Air Force 1's. Bandana, you could use any color. I'm using red because my sister goes to Georgia, so these are going to be like game day shoes for her. And then glue. I'm using crazy glue, all-purpose, bonds to anything. So these three things right here, and maybe a pair of scissors. But other than these, that's all you need. So whole thing costs about $80, and you'll have a one-of-a-kind pair of shoes. I think it's a great price. So let's get started. Alright, so I just cut the bandana into 4 equal parts. There's going to be 1 part for each side of the shoe. Alright, up next I'm going to put glue on the parts where I want the bandana to stick to. So that's basically just this panel right here. So around the swoosh, not on this part, not on the swoosh, not on these side parts, just this middle panel right here I'm going to cover with glue. Alright, so once you have this bandana attached to this part right here, you're going to take a knife, a pocket knife, box cutter of some kind, and cut along the edges. You can kind of see all the edges without cutting it, so where all those edges are, I'm basically going to take my knife and cut out the parts that aren't glued down. Okay, so after doing that, you should be left with something like this, where the bandana is glued to all this part, cut around here, and then you just kind of have these flaps left. So, basically, with these flaps, we're just going to kind of cut them into more of a slimmer shape that's easy to tie, so that these 2 flaps can be tied together. Alright, so this is the shape I ended up cutting it into. It's basically kind of a triangle if you just like go straight out and then make a point at the end, and then I just kind of cut into the edges to make like a little triangle. Alright, so now I'm all finished with the bandana. I'm going to add one more touch, and this part, is kind of optional because it's a little bit more tricky, but I want to paint this logo back here to be red to just have a nice little touch to match the bandana.